Planet Earth, a beautiful landscape filled to the brim with creatures of unimaginable uniqueness, though, due to recent events, the human race as we know it has adapted to the circumstances of the lockdown measures by developing new behaviours and customs. This is David Battenberg, A-Up, and this is Life Under Lockdown. Here we see a curious specimen, being that of the disappointment, a creature that shows relentless optimism amidst difficult situations.
Oh, I'm gonna do so much today. I'm gonna learn a new language, I'm gonna read some Shakespeare, and I'm gonna learn to play a musical instrument.
And failing miserably at all of them.
Why am I like this?
Of course, this process is far from instantaneous, and the slow procedure of the goals diminishing can take many minutes or even hours.
Hey, you ready to start some Spanish?
Hi. Yes. Can we have the basics?
Okay, repeat after me. Hola, mi nombre es Grace.
One more time.
Hola, mi nombre es Grace.
Okay. No.
Alright, let's do like one word at a time if it's fine. So start with hola.
Hello.
Not quite. Try it slowly, like hola.
Hello.
Oh no, this is impossible.
I know, right?
While it is believed that many of this species exist in modern society, few have been spotted or even recorded in its nest. This exclusive footage gives us a look at the behaviours and mannerisms of the beast. Due to the quarantine environment that it has been subjected to, the sleep cycle of the majority of the species has altered substantially. Here, we were lucky enough to capture the beast in broad daylight for it to feast. While it undoubtedly takes a long time for the creature to get to its place, they stay in this position for hours and hours, feasting on the wide variety of sustenance in the kitchen. Truly, at this point, the creature's true ferocity shows its true colours. However, at the same time, this beast wants to ensure that it is silent throughout this feast to guarantee that none of its pack detect the sound or scent of the feast. The extrovert is one of the most peculiar instances of quite simply being unable to adapt to its surroundings, the comfort of which an extrovert found suit now being prohibited means the extrovert has found difficulty in getting through the long and monotonous days. To pass the time, many examples show photography, trying different makeup, and in most cases, simply staring at the phones for hours on end.
Let me out, let me out.
As I'm sure many are aware, at the beginning of quarantine, there was a spur of bulk buyers who instinctively charged to their Morrisons, Tesco's, not Waitrose because we're not made of money, in order to purchase toilet roll, pasta, and self-raising flour.
That's what I said. No. You're violating customer guidelines. Too good.
Due to this loneliness, the hoarder had to resolve to using the products they had purchased in order for companionship. The bliss of this doesn't last long, however, as the hoarder soon delves into madness.
End of June, they said. You get to see your family again, they said. Joke's on them. I don't need a family. I've got you.
Here we see our most common adaptation to lockdown, that of course being the TikTok enthusiast. This species finds comfort in the use of dances and lip syncing to many forms of internet trends. While not exactly a new species, this population has grown exponentially as of recent in all forms of TikTok users.
Hey guys, I just want to say thank you for your support during this hard time. And can we get on this video 15k likes? We are so close to it, the 1 million followers.
While not dangerous, the TikTok craze is rapidly developing and across many other species, including our next being the exerciser. Here we see a far more interesting subspecies of the extrovert, that of course being the exerciser. Unlike its sister species, the extrovert, this creature is able to adapt to its surroundings in order to accomplish its one goal of achieving physical dominance. Now, being stuck in its nest, the exerciser engineers new methods of getting into shape by utilizing the items around them. Now, due to this extended time in such an environment, they have become prone to sticking with these methods even after leaving their natural environment.
Hi, and thank you so much for watching this video. Like, honestly, it means the world for you to get here. And wow, just press the subscribe button right now while you're at it, you know? Like, that would mean the world to me and everyone else in the video, and it probably mean the world to you because I make content that you like, you know? Like, we just have a bond right now, you know? What the hell's going on here? Please like and subscribe, and honestly, if you DM me on Instagram, I will read it, like, no matter what. Like, I read every single DM I get, and you guys are actually the amazing. You are amazing, and please subscribe. Please subscribe, and please follow everyone on their social medias. Don't forget me. And a special thanks to Connor Forbes for writing the script for this video. And honestly, it's been amazing to put it out, even though I've had many challenges getting the clips, and it's great. We're fine. We've made it. It's Thursday. It's 5. Thank God. And I will see you next Thursday at 5 p.m. with another video. Au revoir!